Hi, welcome back to our channel. And today we're doing showing off fidgets. And we're going to show you what we have as our fidgets. First, we're just going to do something. Truly, we have Cocoa Pops. Because we just came back from school, so we need to eat something. Cheers, you guys. Cheers. Hope you guys are having a good day. So now we're just gonna get the bag out. So we got these Among Us one, and this was the first puppet. And people are like, and our friends like, how did you get Among Us puppet on your first for your first puppet? Because and people usually get like circle puppet, square puppet. Here's the quiet side. Still out. And here is the last side. Really loud. So let's move on. Oh, here I've got a cocoa puppet. I got a rainbow strawberry. Here's the quiet side. You can't even hear mine. And here is the loud side. So let's move on to the next one. So let's get it. It's the dimple fidget. So here's the quiet side. That's the loud side. And here is the loud side. Oh, here's the loud side. And here's my quiet side. So the next one is going to be 3, 2, 1. Jigsaw puppet. Jigsaw mini puppet. So here is the loud side. And here's the quiet side. And we've got fidget spinners. Here it is. Mine's a rainbow one with shooting stars. It's amazing. Mine is a metallic pink one. People say this is heavy, but it's not actually for me. And it's rainbow. That looks so cool on the camera. And here's mine. It's actually not that slow, you guys. It's really fast. Yeah. Like really, really fast. And we're gonna do Zoom with our friend, and we'll show her. We'll show her. You'll see her, you guys. And you're trying to steal me. She's trying to kill me as well. Now we've got an ice lolly. I got Mr. Freeze, and I got Mini Calippo. Okay, guys. So now we're gonna do the Zoom with our friend. We did it yesterday as well. So get the login in the laptop for the Zoom. She is so pretty. Yeah, so pretty. You will see her on Zoom. Guys, I just had a gooey part on the green Calippo. It tastes disgusting. Now we're gonna show our friend. Hi!
Go subscribe to my YouTube channel, Life with Katie.
She looks so pretty.
I just did random stuff on there, so go check it out.
Yeah. And she has fidgets. And she has loads and loads of fidgets.
I have loads.
Like loads. More than 100. Yeah. So the last part of our fidgets. So, I've got the same one. So we have a rainbow jumbo puppet. It's humongous. I think it has like 200 pops. Like 100 pops on each side. Or it's like, I don't even know. But it's so nice. So guys, this is my last fidget.
Don't film me, just film all your fidgets, but then I'll tell you when I eat them.
Okay. So here's my squishy. It's a panda. What is it? A cat? It's a cat. I don't know. So it has pink stuff. Katie's little brother. He's so cute.
Zoom. Excuse me.
Excuse me. So yeah, that's him and her.
Okay.
Guys, it's gonna be posted in a week because she has lots to edit and she has 2 more videos to edit, and this one is probably gonna be late too. So just keep an eye out every day. So that's Katie's doll.
And also, guys, this is my reborn doll.
Yeah. It looks cute. It looks so real as well.
I know. Yeah, I'll take his dummy out and you can see how cute his outfit is. Since it's hot today, this afternoon, I've just put like this little thing on, but it's just so cute. It's got ears and everything, so.
Yeah. And go and check out my friend's channel. It's called A Life with Katie. And you might have to search first upload after Life with Katie.
Like, yeah. So Life with Katie.
So it's Life with Katie first upload. That is massive. It's so big.
I know it is. Too big. Too big. Where's me?
Don't show all of it, Simon, because they need to check her video to find out. You have to find out the rest in her video. So guys, she's going to tell you the names, but you have to find out what they look like on her video. So you can start now.
We have Dot. We have Cinnamon. We have Emily. We have Sunny. We have Naomi. We have Golden, and we also have.
What's that called again?
Dot. And then we have Cinnamon. And I also have this is the 10-inch, and then this is the 5-inch. I'm gonna click on it. And then I have Golden. I love Golden as well.
And
then
guys are finding out the name, but not the animal.
I don't know some of the names, so I know most of them. This one, I've got no clue, but it's Trick. I don't know. I've got no clue, but
she's actually gonna do shout outs in every video of hers.
Should I explain that?
Huh?
Should I explain it?
Yeah.
So basically, I'm not gonna be doing it in my squish video I've just filmed, but I will be doing it in the start of every single video, and all you have to do to get shouted out is the main thing in that video. Like, if I started it today, it would be Squishmallows. All you'd have to do is come down with Squishmallows, like the video, and comment down below done when you're done, and you might get a chance to shout out. And also, if you have a YouTube channel and you did that and you got shouted out, I will subscribe to your YouTube channel and maybe comment on some of your videos if the comments are on. So I'll see you guys next time. I love you so much. Bye.
Guys, this is how you get shout outs. You subscribe, like, and hit the bell.
No, not subscribe.
Yeah, you have to. For us.
Just like the video.
Our friend got it wrong. Subscribe, like, and press. Is it for us? Yeah. Press the bell and press all, and then comment down done, and comment down we love fidgets, and then you might get a shout and out. Hashtag fidgets. So yeah, and in Wednesday we'll be doing another video on Wednesday by going to Metro. So yeah, bye. Love you. She slapped my bum. She slapped my bum. I didn't. She's lying.
She's lying.
So we're gonna sing with her. I am excited. comment down below if you like how our friend. We have to do it again because we couldn't hear her and she couldn't hear us. So we'll set it up again.